welcome to my new listing at 176 Massachusetts Avenue in Bayshore. Come on in. Check out the living room. Sliders to a large deck. Great sized backyard, fully fenced. All those animals you have. Property is very nicely updated and this will not last. Come check out the bedroom. Bedroom number 1. Bedroom number 2 is this way. Here we have the master bedroom. Clean, ready to move in. You're gonna love this one. Here's the bathroom. We have a full finished basement, and we're having an open house on Saturday, January 30th from 12:30 to 3. Call me, the listing agent, at 516-314-1999 or hit me up on Instagram at danamakesmoves.